I'm 20 years old, and in that time, I've built my own online business successfully. I became a full-time creative so I can create whenever I want. I've gotten time freedom and so much more. And the one thing that I kept going back to and having the most trouble with was burning out as a creative and doing so much work that it was overloading my brain, which led to me burning out. And in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how I got over that and overcame it through all of my systems I put in place so my day just runs effortlessly without doing a shit ton of work, putting in crazy amount of hours. I can do whatever I want to do in a very effortless manner. So let me tell you a story that's actually funny because I accidentally figured out how to avoid burnout, and for the longest time I thought working harder was going to fix burnout, but it was actually the quite opposite. So I have this habit of every single time I edit a video, I go full out concert mode, jamming to a song, butchering the lyrics, and just singing my lungs out. So while I was editing this video, I wasn't even thinking because I was in such a zone. I went back to an old folder, grabbed some old animations out of that folder, brought it into my video I was editing, and boom, my entire process changed without even me realizing it. That's when I started thinking, what if I made everything in my entire content creation process just like this? Grabbing stuff from old things, systemizing, and just setting up or using tools that will just automatically automate every single system I do. And instead of manually editing and creating everything, it's just a simple process with little to no effort at all. And that's exactly how I got rid of all of my burnout. Now, for every short form video I create and long form like we're doing right now, I use drag and drop presets that I've customizedly made for my personal style. So my entire editing process is effortless and I don't have to waste hours and hours and hours just like I did. It just takes me literally 5 to 15 minutes maximum to create and edit all these videos. And you can do this too, create your own presets. Use old animations or old graphics from your old videos and drag them over to your new ones because it's going to completely automate and change your entire process. Same when it goes to scripting my videos. Majority of the time, I don't even script them anymore because it took me forever to do it. I have a personalized bot on ChatGPT. Her name is Ida, and she basically literally sounds exactly like me as a human being. A bot sounds exactly like me, and she will pump out an enormous amount of just scripts and ideas that are super good that sound literally better than my scripting. So then I can just automate my entire process and I feel effortless when I'm creating videos, and it doesn't take me 2 hours to come up with an idea when it just takes me literally 5 minutes. And it's fully scripted. So if you're probably thinking like, how did you do that? Well, I have a video, it's gonna be in the card. I'm pretty sure it's up here or over here, one of those two. You can go get that. And if you're looking for my presets I made, you can go find those down all in the link in the description. So make sure whatever you are doing, try to use tools that will eliminate majority of the process or figure out something that will help you automate the entire process so you don't have to do it each and every single time. And that will drastically eliminate all your burnout, and you won't even be thinking about burnout because every single one of your pieces of content will be done effortlessly and so fast you could barely even blink an eye. And if you want to learn how to edit hooks in just literally 5 seconds, yeah, it takes me 5 seconds to create these hooks you see on screen right now. Go click this video right over here. I'm pretty sure it's over here. Yeah, over here. And it'll teach you exactly how I do it each and every single time. My name is Torres Marasco. See you in the next one. Peace.